Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install PyCharm on Linux. So to start, we're going to be using the Flatpak version because pretty much anyone can install Flatpak. So to get started, you can do Flatpak search PyCharm. Now from here, you can copy the community application ID. Then you can do sudo flatpak install PyCharm and then do the tac y. And it'll look for matches, and it's going to install the runtime, SDK, and all of that stuff that you need. Lots and lots of stuff, so sit back and let it download. So once the download is done, the installation is complete, and you can look for PyCharm in your app menu, click on it to launch, and you can go ahead and use your new PyCharm IDE. And the Community Edition, like I said, if you're a Python developer, and you're using Linux, best way to go. Doesn't cost any money. You don't gotta do anything like that. But you do need to confirm the privacy policy. And it will start up. It'll go through this little startup section where you can choose how you want it to look and what plugins you'd like. You know, you can do Vim and Markdown and R and all of that. And then once you do start up, you can click Create New Project, click Create, and you will be ready to start programming. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick one on how to get PyCharm installed. I will see you in the next one.